Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I'm back at the shop. I got a small unboxing video to do, so we're going to get that set up real quick. I know y'all enjoy them as much as I do, especially since it is Christmas time. And y'all saw our Christmas tree. So, we're going to get this one up. Let's see what we got in here.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
I'm making a mess as always. So, got a gunmetal SX wrap or a gunmetal MXL Raptor. Oh, also too, we have completed almost all the drawings. We got the one left for the LX Raptor, but through calls yesterday from the YouTube channel, we have started the next drawings for another SX, MXL, and a Team Hard Life rod. So we still got those going on, and we'll keep going. I mean, because like I said, y'all are really enjoying them, so are we, and you know, with the blessing that we had yesterday of one of our YouTube subscribers buying out 3 of them and giving back a lot of the tickets to the guys that were already in the drawings. So you never know when stuff like that can happen, but that was pretty awesome. First time it's ever been done here with the channel. You know, it ended up being 8, 11, it was like 24 tickets he gave back to everybody. So, and actually one of those tickets he gave back, that guy won because of that ticket. So, yeah, pretty awesome. So, I don't know, but I didn't hear nobody willing to go in on the lottery ticket with him. Mr. Toby, that guy is on fire with our drawings. So, I'm definitely game for it, but we'll see what's up. Right now we got 3 gunmetal, and I think we got 3 blues. Yeah, we do. Got the 3rd one right here. Something else we got here. Ooh, got an SX Raptor in blue. We got him in MXL, and our ornaments are still hanging there. Well, ooh, that's loud. And again, guys, we've got the drawings going on again. So actually, let me grab that so I can update y'all real quick. Hey guys, so we got drawing number 16 for the LX Raptor, drawing number 17 for the SX Raptor, drawing number 18 for the MXL Raptor, drawing 19 for the Team Hard Life rod. All right, so if y'all have watched the underwater footage, we noticed that monster fish came up, had the bait, and he turned to the camera and showed that he was hooked, but he shook off a few times and it came out. So that tells me that the hook wasn't big enough to go around the jaw to get behind it to get a good hook up on there. So I'm definitely going back to that area, and I'm going to be including bigger hooks on these underwater cameras. The reason for it, because I definitely want to see those monsters be brought up. But also too, we have learned that if we do an adaptation or an adapter lens to the underwater cameras, we'll actually get to see good color footage instead of everything being green. Obviously we know some are the snapper, some are the catfish and gaff top and stuff like that, but it'll help us get better color footage for that. So stay tuned for that, guys, as we continue learning about the camera, the underwater go fish camera, and our channel, and how the best to work it. So we'll keep doing that, and you know, it's a few more days to Christmas. We still have the toy drive going on. Actually, we gotta go today to, I didn't get them break away to go get the toys from the monetary donations that are still coming through the Cash App to $Team Hard Life. We're gonna do this. I think tomorrow is gonna be the last day, so that way we can get it all sorted and done tomorrow. So again, guys, today is the last day because we definitely got to do the shopping, get it wrapped, and get the families updated to what they're going to be getting. So again, guys, thank you very much for everything that y'all been doing. And again, too, you got to remember, the more proactive you are with the channel, every time I do some kind of drawing or selection process, it's because we choose a YouTube subscriber and through the comments. We always like to use the comments, and that's how the best way to ensure that you're going to be in those free drawings when we do those. When will the next one happen? We're shooting for 15,000 subscribers, which we're at almost 11,000 right now. Again, guys, we still have some more trips to go through, a lot more fishing to learn and do. We still have more spooling videos to do and get done, so it'll keep going, guys. And thank you again. Like I said, being proactive on the channel keeps me going, keeps me motivated, keeps me looking for that next biggest thing that I can share with you. So again, too, I took a little drive today and I did a bunch of video shorts of different fishing areas along the way out to where I was going and on the way back. So stay tuned.